Hi students, I want to show you how to develop this lab number 3 capacitors. Basically, when you click on the simulation, you must open here the part that belongs to capacitance, and then you're going to find a circuit that contains a battery and a capacitor, right? This is a parallel plates capacitor. You can increase the plate area just pulling or pushing this arrow, and you can see in what magnitude you increase or decrease the plate area. Also, you can modify the separation between plates, right? Just moving up or down, this vertical arrow. Here on the top, you can observe the magnitude of the capacitance of the capacitor according with the separation between the plates and according with the plate area. Those are basically the variables that are going to have an influence in the capacitance of the capacitor. Here we have also a multimeter. In this case, we're going to be using this multimeter to measure the voltage. So I can find here the voltage between plates. Just put in these, these multimeter devices used to measure, on the plates. You can change the battery electromotive force, moving up or down, this knob, and then you can see how the plates of the capacitor just get charged, positive charge or negative charge, the upper and lower plate of the capacitor, depending on how you move the knob of the battery. You can see also the electric field between the plates if you click on here. So you're going to see how the electric field is perpendicular to the plate of the capacitor, and as high as is the electromotive force, it's also higher the intensity of the electric field. This electric field is going from the positive plate to the negative plate, right? Like that, you can just basically work or play with this capacitor, and you can answer the questions that you have in your lab assignment, right? They give you the instructions just to see how it's changing, the capacitance of the capacitor with the change in the separation of plate with the plate area, and with the increase of the electromotive force of the battery and some other aspects. So I strongly recommend just to follow the instructions carefully, to read the instructions, and then later to answer the lab assignment questions, after take notes of what you observe when you perform the different steps of the instructions. So thank you so much, and I will be creating a similar video for the week 4 lab. Thank you.